Hi, my name is Blair Quiring. As an operations and production professional, timely access to reports is crucial. With EAG Foundations, outdated and inaccurate data are things of the past. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually piecing together separate spreadsheets over hours or even days to create a report. EAG Foundations standard industry-leading plug-and-play report packs make it easy for you to get the reports you need in an easy-to-consume format. Each report comes configured with filters that enable you to slice data sets in more ways than you might be able to in your application normally. This frees you to focus on value-added projects and tasks since data is working for you and not the other way around. Contact us to learn more.